Let's talk about accounting. Accounting is the process of identifying, recording, classifying, summarizing, interpreting, and communicating financial information relating to an organization to the interested users for judgment and decision-making. Following are the characteristics of accounting. The definition of accounting brings following characteristics or attributes of accounting. 1. Identification. It involves identification of those transactions and events which are of financial nature and those that relate to the organization. It should be remembered that transaction is the process of give and take, and event is the end result of the transactions. 2. Measurement. Only those business transactions and events which can be quantified or measured in monetary terms are considered. 3. Recording. It is the process of entering business transactions of financial character in the books of original entry in terms of money. 4. Classifying. It can be defined as the process of grouping transactions or entries of one nature at one place. 5. Summarizing. It involves presenting the classified data in a manner which is understandable and useful to various users of accounting statements. 6. Analysis and interpretation. Analyzing and interpreting the financial data helps users to make a meaningful judgment of the profitability and financial position of the business. 7. Communication. It involves communicating the financial statements to the various users, that is management and other internal and external users. Here is a quick note on accounting standards. Accounting standards are the written statements consisting of uniform accounting rules and guidelines issued by the accounting body of the country, such as Institute of Chartered Accountants of India, that are to be followed while preparation and presentation of financial statements.